Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading Basics. In this video, we're going to be learning how to use MetaTrader 4 on iPhone for beginners. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. If you want to start trading with the popular trading platform MetaTrader 4, which is used by millions of traders worldwide, then you are in the right place. In order to start using MetaTrader 4, the first thing you'll need is the MetaTrader 4 application. Open up the App Store on your iPhone. Search for MetaTrader 4 in the search box at the top. Once you find the app in the search result, tap on the download button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open MetaTrader 4 App. Allow necessary permissions for the app by tapping on Allow and accept to the terms and conditions of MetaTrader 4. If you want to practice trading, it is a good option to open up a demo account first for MetaTrader 4. But if you want to trade using real money, you will need to apply for a real trading account. To open up a demo account, click on Open a Demo Account button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this Codes tab. The Codes tab displays real-time prices for your chosen instruments, whereas the Charts tab will help you view and analyze price movements with various indicators and tools. The Trade tab will be able to help you manage your open positions and execute new trades, whereas you will be able to track your past trading activity and performance inside the History tab. The Settings tab will get you access about your account information, customize the platform, and much more. To open up a new account for MetaTrader, you'll need to tap on the New Account button inside the Settings menu. Now there you will come across two different options to open up a demo account or to log in into an existing account. If you want to open up a real account and start trading with real money, you can contact your broker and follow through the instructions. If you're new to the platform and you don't have a demo account as well, simply tap on Open a Demo Account and enter a company's name or server's name in the search box. You can also tap on MetaCodes Demo option and enter your phone number, email address, select your account type, and enter other account information and tap on Register at the top right. If you want to log into an existing demo account, you can tap on Log into an existing account and then log in by entering your login ID and password. Make sure to enter your credentials correct and click Sign In at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log in to your MetaTrader 4 account. Now, once you're in, you can go ahead and explore the interface. Next, I'm going to show you how to start placing a trade. To make your first trade, you must first choose an instrument. Make sure you are inside the Codes tab, which should appear at the bottom left. Once you're inside, tap on the desired instrument to see its details and charts. Tap on one of the instruments and you can see the charts and details by choosing the Chart or Details option. To initiate a trade, tap on the Trade button. Choose Buy or Sell, set a quantity, adjust stop loss, and much more. Now, you will be able to see the Trade tab. It shows your open positions with details like entry price, profit and loss, and margin used. Keep an eye on your trades and manage them effectively. You can close positions by manually pressing hold on them and tapping on Close. You can also modify stop loss or take profit levels directly from the menu. In order to enhance your MetaTrader 4 experience, you can explore the Settings menu. The Settings menu will be appearing at the bottom right-hand corner. Simply tap on that, and then you can adjust the platform settings, notifications, and more. For your security, if you ever want to change your password for your account, simply go ahead and tap on Settings and tap on the account at the top of the screen that you're currently using. Select the account you'd like to change the password for and tap on the three buttons on the right-hand corner. Now tap on Change Password and then you can select whether you'd like to change your master password, investor password, or simply clear out the saved password. Select any one option and go ahead and enter the master password or any other password that you've selected. Enter your current password for your account. Choose a new password by typing it in the text box. Enter the password once again inside the Confirm tab and tap Change. And that is how you will be able to change your password as well for your security. Just remember that trading involves significant risks, so make sure you practice on your demo account before getting into real money. That was how you can easily use MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.